Number 105, what is 5/8 in percent? So meron tayong dalawang way para isolve ito. Yung first ay by direct division lang. So divide lang natin 5 divided by 8. So hindi pa pwede. So lagyan natin ng maraming zero. So tapat lang natin yung decimal dito. 5 divided by 8. So that is 0. Then we have 50 divided by 8. So that is equal to 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 8. That is equal to 5. And then 5 times 8 is 40. So in decimal, that is 0.625. Then convert this in percent. This is equal to 62.5%. Move lang ng dalawa and then put the percent symbol. Therefore, the correct answer is letter E. Another way is pwede nating gamitan ng fraction lang yan, ratio and proportion. So 5/8 equals, lagyan lang natin siya ng over 100 since percent means divided by 100. So isolve lang natin itong numerator natin. So all we have to do, divide natin ito. So pag dinivide natin, the answer is 12.5. Then i-multiply natin dito sa numerator, 12.5 times 5, that is equal to 62.5. So same answer siya. So letter E. Follow for more.